Lingerie is the first thing that you put on in the morning. Even though nobody sees it, it feels really personal. That will reflect in how you see yourself. So I took a bra making workshop in 2016, and I just was really inspired by this process of creating this garment that was so technical, but also so delicate and beautiful at the same time. I came up with the idea for Gamine Studios probably around the end of 2020. The pandemic just really made me think about how I could add some more value to my life. And at the time I was working as an assistant designer for a big company, and I found myself really missing the tactile aspect of garment making. I design each piece in my collection with longevity and quality in mind, and not something that you wear a couple times and throw away. So with my line, I have a really hands-on approach, and I like being involved in every step of the process. So I usually start with material sourcing. That's kind of what sparks my creativity. And from there, I'll usually make a rough sketch. From the sketch, I'll usually drape on the dress form, which is essentially like molding the fabric to the dress form until I get the shape that I want. And then if I'm happy with the design, I will fit the sample and make any corrections on the fit, and then make a new sample until I'm happy with the fit. Once the pattern is finalized, I give the pattern to my pattern grader. After that, I'll send that to a small factory that I've partnered with, and they're gonna do the manufacturing. My name is Trisha Paddock. I'm the owner and designer of Gamine Studios.